So what you can also do is if you have Google Drive installed on your computer, then you can sync out your images in Google Photos directly as well. So over here, if I were to go to more option while right clicking, you can see that sync or backup this folder is an option right here. And as you were to click on it, you can see that this is the option that you get. So you can see that there's images and it says sync with Google Drive, and you can do this, or you can back up to Google Photos as well, as you can see. So if you were to go ahead and do that and click on save, then what happens is that whatever images you have stored on this particular folder will now be synced out into Google Photos. So whatever images that you keep right here, arranged right here, will then be uploaded to Google Photos. And that is how you can simply set Google Photos to automatically back up the photos that you have inside of your computer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.